Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. These are PIAA wiper blades. I've had them for 5 years and they're above average in durability, but kind of falling apart here, starting to streak a little bit. So let's do some research to see if there's better ones out there. Okay, so Reddit does recommend the PIAA silicone blades, but I really love Project Farm videos, and we're gonna go with the Bosch Icon that also pops up in a bunch of other Reddit threads. Let's place an order and wait for them to get here. I'm gonna start with the 17-inch. PIAA has a plastic clip here to release. The Bosch has an entire housing to pinch open and will slide in with a click, close, and that's pretty much it. Let's do the 26. All done with the front. The rear is a little different. There's no hook in there. You twist and the wiper blade pops out. Here's a comparison of PIAA and Bosch. They look pretty similar. Both have this little dot there. Hopefully these will give us 4 to 5 years like the PIAAs. Only time will tell. Video 244 done.